Meet the most terrifying bird you've never heard of. The shoebill stork. It looks like it walked straight out of a horror movie. And wait till you hear the sound it makes. Wait a minute, not this one, but this one. This bird is over 4 feet tall and has a beak strong enough to crush bones. But that's not even the craziest part. Unlike most birds, shoebills don't move much. They stand completely frozen for hours. Then, suddenly, they strike with lightning speed to catch fish, even crocodiles. And their call? It sounds like a machine gun. But here's what makes them even scarier. They practice something called siblicide. The stronger chick will literally kick out its weaker sibling so it gets all the food. So yeah, the shoebill stork is tall, terrifying, and maybe the most ruthless bird on the planet.